Welcome to Premium Care Plastic Surgery. In this video, we will walk you through your entire surgical journey so you feel informed, confident, and excited every step of the way. Let's get started. Cartagena is a beautiful city with tropical weather year-round. It's usually around 30 degrees Celsius to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. We recommend packing light, comfortable clothes and don't forget your sunblock. Once you land, one of our friendly drivers will pick you up and take you to our 5-star recovery suites, where you will begin your journey in comfort and care. Your first stop is a consultation with our plastic surgeons to review your procedure and answer all your questions. Then, a patient assistant will take you to meet the anesthesiologist, gather your garments and supplies, and prepare you for surgery day. On the day of surgery, we will pick you up and bring you to our accredited surgery center. Your procedure will be carried out by our expert team of plastic surgeons, supported by anesthesiologists and surgical staff. This team approach allows for a more efficient surgery, better results, and a faster recovery. From the very first moment after surgery, our team of nurses, aestheticians, and house staff will be by your side, providing support in a beautiful and peaceful setting designed for healing. We offer a recovery experience unlike any other. In the days following your surgery, you will have in-person follow-up appointments with our surgeons to monitor your progress and ensure everything is healing perfectly. At your final in-person follow-up, our team will give you detailed instructions on how to take care of yourself during the weeks and months ahead. We'll make sure you feel ready and supported before heading home. When it's time to return home, we will take you to the airport and help you begin the next chapter of your journey, refreshed and renewed. Even after you're home, our medical team stays connected with you. We will regularly ask for photos, monitor your healing, answer your questions, and ensure you're progressing beautifully. You are never alone. We are just one message away. So, are you ready for plastic surgery? Premium Care Plastic Surgery is ready for you. We are much more than plastic surgery. We are care, comfort, and confidence.